How to show followers on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can show followers on Facebook. First thing, you need to make sure that you've already updated your Facebook application, and also in order to show followers on Facebook, you need to enable the follower setting on your Facebook. In case if you don't know how to do it, then I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below on how you can enable followers on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started. So then logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you need to click on the try bar icon located in the top right corner. As you click on the try bar icon, a menu page appears and a list of options appears along with that. So right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option as settings. Click on it, and once again you need to click on settings and privacy. Next, you'll redirect to settings and privacy page, and on this interface, once again you'll have a list of options. See a multiple option. What you need to do is you need to click on public post, which will be right in between under privacy. Once you click on it, right on top you'll be able to see an option as who can see your follower on your timeline. In case if you have selected on only me, then you'll only be able to see the follower on your Facebook, and similarly you have friends, so this means that those who have friends on your Facebook will only be able to see the follower list, and the public means that everybody on Facebook or the people that are not your friend will also be able to see your. So what you'll need to do is you need to enable public in order to show your follower list on Facebook. In order to check whether the follower list has been enabled or not, what you'll need to do is head back to your home screen and then tap on the profile icon, and you'll be directed to your profile page, and under your bio you'll be able to see this kind of interface such as followed by this number of people. So that is how you can enable or show follower on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.